Why do I ride? For the thrill of acceleration? Is it for the exhilaration? Or maybe for the relaxation? Do I ride for the destination? Or maybe for the socialization? Why do I ride? Is it just because I can? Or maybe because I'm a man? Do I ride to see the land? Is it to make a stand? Why do I ride? Is it just to get away? To avoid a bit of the fray? Or to go out and just play? Why do I ride? Is it to clear my head of all the clutter? Or to confront a potential danger? Why do I ride? It's a complicated question to ponder. Why do I ride? I would simply say to all of you, why do I ride? Yes,